Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Highlander maintenance light. This light typically illuminates after a certain mileage to remind you of routine service, like an oil change. It is a straightforward process that you can complete in just about 1 minute, ensuring your vehicle's reminders are accurate after its maintenance. To begin, first turn your Highlander's ignition to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. Next, find the small odometer button on your dashboard, usually near the speedometer. Press this button several times until your display shows Trip A. This sets up the system for the next crucial step in the reset process. Now, turn the ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold down the odometer button. While still holding it, turn the ignition back to the on position, again without starting the engine. Continue to hold the button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. You will see the maintenance light blink, then it will go out, indicating a successful reset. Once the maintenance light has vanished, you can release the odometer button. Turn your ignition off, then start the engine to confirm the light is no longer illuminated. If the light persists, simply repeat these steps carefully. For some newer models, you might use steering wheel controls to navigate to a maintenance reset menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.